Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Propolis throat spray. Propolis, often called bee glue, is a remarkable substance bees collect from plants. It's packed with beneficial compounds that can support your well-being. Crafting your own spray at home means you know exactly what goes into it, avoiding any artificial ingredients. This simple process empowers you to create a natural remedy for soothing your throat and boosting your immune defenses. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need a Propolis tincture. This is the concentrated extract, which can be made with alcohol or vegetable glycerin. Next, have some raw honey on hand, about 2 tablespoons, for its natural sweetness and soothing qualities. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of distilled water to help achieve the right sprayable consistency. Finally, a small, clean spray bottle and measuring spoons are necessary for preparation. Now, let's mix your soothing spray. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of your Propolis tincture with 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Next, add 1 tablespoon of warm distilled water. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until they are completely blended and smooth. The consistency should be thin enough to spray easily. If it's too thick, add an additional 1/4 teaspoon of water. Once mixed, carefully pour your homemade spray into your clean spray bottle. Using your Propolis throat spray is simple. Administer 2 to 4 sprays directly into your throat as needed throughout the day. It's excellent for daily immune support or to soothe a scratchy throat at the first sign of discomfort. For storage, keep your spray in a cool, dark place, like a cupboard, to maintain its quality. While it can last longer, it is best to use your homemade spray within 6 months for maximum freshness and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.